Today, I'll introduce format/3 in N-Prolog. First, load the utils module. Use_module, utils. The syntax is format, stream, format, list. The first argument is a stream, such as user_output. The second argument is a format string, and the third is a list of values to insert. Let's try some examples. Integer, format, user_output, value equals D, 123. Float, format, user_output, pi equals F, 3.14. Atom and string, format, user_output, atom equals a string equals S, hello, world. Hexadecimal, format, user_output, hex equals X, 255. Binary with digits, format, user_output, bin equals B8, 10. Special characters, format, user_output, ANBT. N is newline, T is tab, and prints a tilde. Format/3 is very useful for formatted output. Give it a try.